Hello world. Today on Thrice IND, I am going to put this boost gauge into this little boost gauge pod. Alright, so I have just a big mess going on here. Bunch of parts, some hose which I probably won't use because I already have some. This is the gauge holder. Here's the gauge out of its box and some T's and stuff. Previous owners have already run a vacuum line for the boost gauge, so that's not really a huge deal because obviously it used to have one there. I just need to run this from here up into here, which will come out to the boost gauge here. And then basically all I have to do is run a wire to the illumination circuit, which is a green with red wire, which I think is that one, which you guys probably can't see, but it's right there. And I will have to make a hole somewhere for the wires and boost line to come out of. Part of the reason I'm doing it here is because this pod is broken. There's a big broken spot you can probably see right there. And this is also broken, it doesn't screw in properly, so I'm kind of using the boost gauge mount to hold this piece to this piece anyway, and if I need to replace it in the future, it's not so big of a deal. And that will be that. Alright, it looks like a big mess, and it kind of is. But I've run the positive wire from the gauge up into here and to this green and red wire, which is for the illumination circuit, and I've soldered it in place. I'll heat shrink it in a minute. And then the black wire from the gauge, which would be the negative or ground, not negative, be the ground wire. I've run it up to the same spot and to this ground wire right here. And then I'll heat shrink them all, put it in place. Then I just have to put the boost line, attach that to the gauge, put everything in place. It's going to be amazing. I guess here, I'll show you if I can hold the camera when I turn on the lights. Ooh, wow. Cool. So, we'll be back. Oh yeah, look at that. And that is how you boost gauge. We'll actually do a driving video to see if it works. It should be running around 9.5, 10 psi, I think, stock. And then another video I'll have to make, sorry for the super dusty dash, but another video I'll have to make is me getting rid of this and trying to figure out a way to patch that hole, so that should be fun. I'm just gonna put the stereo back in and get all this crap out of my car, and then I will take you guys on a test drive. It should be fun. Dr. Moose, he's running towards the road. So stuff, so if you